So Fuji released a new software update and I've come out to test it to see if the autofocus is better and to see whether or not you can take the images straight from the camera and put them on your phone, and it looks like the software update has resolved all of those issues. Focusing is much better, it's much faster. I'm now not only able to upload the images straight from the camera, but in the app you can take pictures with your phone on the camera. So if you set it up on a tripod somewhere and you want to take a picture with your family or a self-portrait or a picture on the beach, whatever it is, you can now take the picture from your phone with the camera however far away from you. It's a very nice update. I can now select all of these photos, hit import, and they will go directly to my camera roll on my phone. This is a much more streamlined way of accessing the photos that you've taken while you're traveling, and I'm really happy that Fuji decided to finally issue an update on this. The other feature I wanted to do a little demo on is being able to use the live view shooting with this camera. When you click that button, it allows you to access the camera without having to have your hands on the camera. It's a hands-free option for you to use. You can use the remote release, which allows you to take a picture by sliding up that little button, or you can do the live view shooting mode, which allows you to take pictures hands-free. So the update did significantly improve the autofocus. You're able to take pictures much faster, and you're able to take bursts of pictures with a shorter period of lag time in between photos. It's a pretty good update. I'm pretty happy with the fact that Fuji finally listened to all of the complaints about the app not working and the autofocus having issues, and did something as easy as a software update to allow people to be able to use this camera the way that it was intended to be used. And now that we are able to use the camera the way that it was intended, I think it makes it a better travel camera, a better point and shoot camera. The biggest issues that I had and the biggest concerns I had with this camera have been resolved, but I do still think that it is overpriced. Maybe not so much overrated anymore because the focusing actually works, which is a big deal when you're spending $2,000 on a camera, but I do think that paying $2,000 for a camera that retails at $1,400 is too much money to spend on this camera. There are other options for that price range that are worth looking at, and I will make sure that I list those down below as well. If you're interested in the full review that I did on this camera, you can find that here. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Tilly Scholl, and I'll catch you on the next one.